Hello, my name is Makia and I'm going to show you how to make slime. The materials you are going to need are Elmer's glue, not giant paint. The paint is optional. A fork, spoon or stick, a bowl, activator, Tide. Well, this is Tide, but you can use contact solution and borax. And you're gonna need some water. The first step is you're going to pour the glue into the bowl like this. Next step, you're gonna pour the water into this. Put a top on it, and you're just gonna shake it real good until it's the texture. You're gonna pour it in there, and then you're gonna mix it together. After you're done mixing this, you're gonna put the paint in. Once again, the paint is optional, so I chose pink, as y'all can see. Not too much paint, or it's gonna be all gooey. It's pink. And then you start putting the Tide in for the activator. Put it in little by little because it's gonna be it's not gonna turn out right if you see. It's blue because that is water. It's because it is Tide. But it should be, if it's too liquidy, like right now, you gotta pour some of it out. And then just keep mixing. And we're just gonna keep mixing. Take it out the bowl, and then you just work it together if you can't mix it anymore. If it's not like this, you did something wrong. If it's like just ooey, well, it's ooey. But if it's not just like this, it's not this texture. We're gonna keep working it together until it forms. If your slime breaks just like this, the liquid that we poured out, you can dip the slime into the liquid because most of the liquid is glue and water. And then you can just mix it up. With your hands because you can't stir it with the fork. You just mix it until it forms. Once you get mixing your slime, well, your slime, just working it out with your hands, it should look like this. And I use clear glue because when you scratch it, you can see. But if it didn't turn out like this, you need to go back to step 1 and do everything all over again because you did something wrong. Are there any questions? If there aren't any more questions, this concludes my video. Happy Breast Cancer Awareness Month.